and hence we are seeing heavy load shedding now, which is something that is unprecedented and should not be happening in the years to come.
Shisngi hadian baka kashari ke Jylla, kala hukum ya ke Sorkar Jylla, ban file affidavit, Halor ke Jingpynlip Bording ha ke Jylla, Menteri rang ba ke Jylla, Konrad ke sangma, ha ke Henry Terik Ucemang, ula ong baka Sorkar kan saai ke Kaiphod, katkum ki Jingshisha, Halor ke daw, jong ke Jingpynlip Bording kha. Hawa kerench kila pathai kubuar, Halor ke Jinglong Jingman ke Bording, Menteri rang ba ke Jylla, ula ong babara buar, laju penteri kam ya kalut shedding hegi benai kelalungkot rempang leber bat yayong kumba ar haduk lai kanta Henry namar ba om syam lala ban le ya kata kumta la penteri kam kambuan mentai kalut shedding usang ma ula ong shu baka Sorkar kadang terai haki ba buan ki benta ban penbiang heki barwa.
As I had mentioned that during election time we were not able to to kind of spread out the load shedding, and hence we had to do the load shedding within this period of May. So what we would have done normally January, February, March, April, which would be like 2 hours or 3 hours maximum. So those times it was not there, and we had to put all of that in the month of April and May, and hence we are seeing heavy load shedding now, which is something that is unprecedented and should not be happening in the years to come. On top of that, we are working out in many ways to balance out the entire thing. We expect that this situation and the magnitude to which it's there will not be there in the coming days and coming years. And apart from that, there are many other decisions that the government has already decided on, and we will make it public very soon.